I went to the garden in the woods to learn about native plants. It has been my experience that using native plants improves my soil, attracts birds, and decreases mosquitoes. I found 4 plants that surprised and delighted me. Woodland pinkroot, narrow-leaved evening primrose, eastern prickly pear, and clammy azalea. Woodland pinkroot blooms in June, and it likes shady areas. Evening primrose blooms abundantly in full sunlight. Eastern prickly pear surprised me, but for the sandy areas of the Cape, it's a good match. Clammy azalea has a delicate flower and a wonderful fragrance. I hope you get a chance to visit the garden